Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to your daily English Power Up routine. This is your moment, a few minutes just for you to stay focused, energetic, and aligned with your English goals. So, wherever you are, sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Perfect. Let's begin this powerful journey together. Alright, now let's move to step 1, power of stillness, silence, and centering. Sit quietly for 1 minute, close your eyes, and feel calm inside. Let go of all distractions. It's just you and your growth now. Now say it with me slowly. I am calm, I am focused, and I am ready to learn with a peaceful mind. Beautiful. Now step 2, visualization. Imagine yourself speaking English fluently. You are in an interview or in your office or talking with your friends confidently. You are smiling, speaking clearly, and everyone is listening to you with respect. Say it with me. I see myself speaking English fluently. I am confident and clear. Great. Now step 3. Writing intentions. Open your notebook and write 1 or 2 small goals for today. Maybe I will speak English for 15 minutes today, or I will learn 5 new words. Let's affirm together. Every day I am improving my English and moving towards my dream. Perfect. Alright, time for step 4, energy activation. Now stand up, stretch your arms, smile wide, and say it with full power. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Feel the energy in your body. Say after me, I am full of energy and excitement. I love learning English. Great. Now step 5, gratitude and reflections. Let's thank the universe for this opportunity to grow. Say it with me. Thank you for my teacher. Thank you for my progress. Thank you for this opportunity to learn. And now repeat after me. I am grateful for my journey. I believe in myself and my growth. Step 6. Read inside. Open your heart and mind to receive today's English thought or quote. Read it slowly. Feel every word and let it inspire you. Repeat after me. Every word I read improves my understanding. My mind easily connects with English. Perfect. Now step 7, unlock barriers. Imagine a door in front of you labeled fear, doubt, or hesitation. You are holding a golden key, your confidence. You unlock the door and walk through it. Behind it, there is a bright light. Your fluency, freedom, and success. Say it with me. I am unlocking my barriers. I am free, confident, and ready to speak English fearlessly. Great. Now let's strengthen your self-belief. Repeat after me. I am confident in expressing myself. My voice matters. Every time I speak, my confidence grows. I am fearless and fluent. Perfect. Beautiful. Now step 9, affirmations for learning and understanding. Repeat after me. I easily understand what I learn. My mind is sharp and focused. I enjoy learning new words and expressions. Every day I understand English better and speak it more naturally. And now take one last deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Smile. You have just completed your daily English Power Up routine. You are calm, you are focused, you are confident and ready to shine in English. Say it with me one last time. I am confident in speaking English. I express myself easily and naturally. Every day my English is improving. Now open your eyes, smile with pride, and let's begin today's beautiful English learning journey together. This is Ayesha, your trainer, reminding you once again, believe in yourself, you are unstoppable.